Have you ever wondered how your favorite producer page makes their Instagram reels? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make ones that look like this. So first you're going to go get your picture of your rapper. I'm choosing J. Cole for this beat. Then we're just going to go to BG Remover to get rid of the background. Now we got all of our stuff in Premiere Pro, but the sizing isn't right. So we're going to go to sequence settings, and then we're going to change these two numbers right here, the 1920 and the 1080. That's what's going to give us the little TikTok layout thing. Now we got to set our keyframes. So we're going to press this little button right here, and then you have to adjust your starting point, then adjust your ending point as well. You thought you were done? You had to do it for every single scene that you're going to show. Then for the intro, you're just going to blur the background and then drop J. Cole in and resize them. Then to make the transition, you got to make an adjustment layer, drag one of them in here and make it about this long right here, copy it over, and then copy one more on top and make it twice the length. Now we're just going to use a couple transitions. These ones are from Vinzar. I'll have them tagged below. Then you just copy the transition to every new scene and you're done.